You may know that your recent captures live in a tray at the bottom of the editor, but did you know that the Snagit Library stores your entire capture history? The library can be accessed from the editor. Your Snagit captures can be stored locally to your computer or in a cloud storage location. Store your library locally if you only use Snagit on one computer, or use a service like Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive to access your captures on another computer. Once you choose your library location, you can dive into the Snagit Library features. You can double-click on a capture to open it within the Snagit editor. Explore your captures in the Images or Videos category. Use the tag option to help group or find captures easily at a later time. Search the library and filter by file name, tags, application, or for Windows users, website captured from. Sort captures by date modified, date created, name, or size, and click on a heading to sort or to reverse the sort order. Select or multi-select images in the library and click Create to easily craft an image from template or a video from images. Or even share captures to common sharing locations such as the cloud, a document, social media, or send a link. To learn more about the Create button in Snagit, please visit our other tutorials. And thanks for watching.